Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about filtering using Google Sheets. So here we go. The first thing you're going to want to do is you'll notice here that I've got a sheet that has reading and math and science on it, and I don't want to look at all the grades at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight those three subject areas, okay? And when I highlight them, then I'm going to click over on this little triangle right here, and this is going to filter it for me. So I click on it, and now you see I get this little honeycomb filter. So I click on it, and when I click on it, it's going to show me all of the inputs of those cells, okay? And I know that there's three. There's math, reading, and science. So I'm going to click the clear button so it takes all of the check marks off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of them and with a check mark. And I want to look at reading first. So let me click on reading, click OK, and now it's only showing me the reading scores. It's not showing me the math or science. So if I click filter again, I can now look at another subject, right? And I'm going to check out the math. So here we go. I'm going to look at the math now, and all the other ones are hidden. And when I click on the filter again, way over here, you'll notice that all of the data comes back. That's it. Thank you for watching.